So how to assemble this car part 2. Remove this motor, take it out, remove the bolt and washer. My daughter is with me, she's crying like I want to get inside. Okay, wait. So these are the wheels. So I have to make it quickly, guys. So this part is hard for you, so make sure you unplug. So remove the plug, this motor. They will be installed from outside. So here you can see this wire is coming inside from outside. So this is the easy way you can do. Nice car. Here is a seat, front windshield, charger, user guide I didn't open. I don't need that because I know how to assemble. Steering, and my daughter wants to go inside. Okay, wait, let me assemble. Okay, take the wheels with you. Play wheels on the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I assemble this one quickly. But this is the part where the people mostly get confused how to install it. So put this one. There's no bolt or anything to secure this because this will be exactly fit tight when you install the wheels. And the wheels, this part will be fitting inside. So only I hand over to my wife. She can record when I'm installing. So here we go. Install the washer. This one. And the company gave you already all the tools. You don't need extra tool. In this packet there are 2 keys just in case you don't have the one is not working. They give you 2. These are the caps for the bolt. Okay, let's do it quickly. And once it's done, so they mention the height of this car. We can check if you want. So from here to here, total size, and you will know exactly what size of this car is. And rest of the parts are easy to assemble. Just plug in and that's it. But the most hardest part was the motor. Have a look. So how high it has from the ground? 14 inch. And if you check on the other side, from the ground level is 37 centimeter. And the length is from here is about 39 inches, which is about 99 or 100 centimeter. Okay, I'll finish up this one quickly. This was the assembling video, unpacking video already done. If you have any question, you can ask in the video. I'm going to share this link on Amazon as well. So guys, I like this car. I would say, yeah, if you are buying, so you can buy this one. I'll leave the link of the store where this car is shared. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.